Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove channels on WhatsApp. So to do the same, let me show you the steps you need. So to delete a channel on WhatsApp, deleting your channel is permanent. If you delete your channel, you won't be able to make updates from it again. Followers will still be able to find your channel but will see a system message that your channel was deleted. Your past updates will still be available from their phones. Non-followers or something like viewers will no longer be able to see your channel or updates. They won't be able to find your channel in search anymore. New people can no longer follow your channel and your sharing link won't work. So the steps you need to delete your channel are from the updates tab, go on mobile or channels page on web and find, tap or click your channel to open it. Tap or click your channel name and then go to delete channel and then tap on delete. Enter your phone number to confirm and tap or click delete. Once successfully deleted, you will see the message you deleted your channel in the updates tab or channels page. There's a certain thing you need to know about deleting your channel. Only the channel owner can delete a channel, not other admins. If you want to delete your channel and your WhatsApp account, delete your channel first. Your channel won't be automatically deleted if you have assigned additional admins before you delete your channel and your WhatsApp account. Instead, the admin who has followed the channel longest will become the new channel owner. So yeah, hope these steps will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in the next video.